video is on My Synchrony Bank, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your My Synchrony Bank's online banking account. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing. First step is, what is My Synchrony Bank account? Well, it's basically a high yield depositing product with no monthly fees. Synchrony Bank offers a high yield saving account, a money market account, a certification of deposit with no monthly fee. This means that the interest you earn won't be reduced by bank fees. Alright, that's the advantage of My Synchrony Bank account. So in order to log in into it, first step starts from My Synchrony Bank Login. After you search for My Synchrony Bank Login, click on the first option here where it says My Synchrony Financing Solution and Store Credit Cards. It's going to take you over here, which is the official website of My Synchrony. You can also come over here directly by writing mysynchrony.com, and at the top right click on login. It's going to take you to the login page. Now once you're on the login page, you want to enter your username, so enter your username over here. After you enter your username over here, you need to enter the password of your account over here. And after you enter the password, you click on login, and if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your My Synchrony online banking account. And if you don't have an account and you want to register for it, you can click on register and fill up their form to get registered into My Synchrony bank account as well. And if you forgot your username, you can click on username to recover it. And if you forgot your password, you can click on password to recover your password as well. Alright, basically how you guys can log in into your My Synchrony online banking account.